This is going to be a video tutorial on how to move the taskbar to the top of your screen in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To move your taskbar, by default it's probably set to the bottom of the screen, as you can see mine is. To move it to the top of your screen, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the lower left hand corner, down to your little start icon. You want to right click on the start icon. Then you want to go up to where it says settings and click on settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to click on personalization. And then the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down toward the bottom where it says taskbar and click on taskbar. Then in the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Taskbar Location On Screen. By default it probably set to bottom, but you could click this drop down and you could choose left, top, or right. I'm going to choose top. And as you can see, my taskbar has now moved to the top of the screen. That is how to move your taskbar to the top of the screen in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.